Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our balcony stateroom on AmaDahlia for our Nile River cruise, so let's take a look. Come into the stateroom, it's really big. It's about almost the size of a suite on a normal cruise ship. You can see how big it is. We've got a separate sitting area. Here's the bedroom. So a nice king-size bed, which is lofted, and we have storage underneath the bed as well, which is very nice. Got nightstands on both sides of the bed with individually controlled lights and a little reading light. And there's the thermostat. And we've got European plugs. So we've got a beautiful view out the window. We're docked next to the shore at the moment, so it's not very scenic. But we'll look at that again when we're underway. Nice flat screen TV that is adjustable, so you can turn it and move it so you can see it better. And here's the other night table on the other side of the bed, also with European plugs and USB plugs. So just beautiful. Nice big bedroom, and then we have a separate sitting area, which is amazing. It really does look like a suite to me compared to staterooms on normal cruise ships. But nice comfortable chair. There's the balcony, which we'll look at when we're underway. So I mentioned one of the best features of our stateroom is our balcony, and we're sailing down the Nile River, or up the Nile River actually right now. So let's go out on our balcony and take a look. You can see we've got a couple of chairs and a small coffee table. We can have a beverage of our choice out on our balcony. Just a beautiful balcony with a beautiful view of the Nile River on a glorious day. So heading back inside, we also have in our bedroom a French balcony, which is very cool. So this window actually opens so you can look at the view from your bed if you want to. A beautiful French balcony also. There's a nice desk with 2 drawers for storage and chargers for Quiet Vox headset and a UK plug and USB plugs. And a nice comfortable sofa. It is a sleeper sofa, so you can have other people sleeping in the stateroom with you. And a little coffee table and fresh fruit, which is just wonderful. And another nice flat screen TV. And a dresser with more drawers, so more storage space. And over here we've got beautiful decorations and a coffee and tea service and fresh water. They provide bottled water, it's included. And a mini fridge with more bottled water. So beer and wine are included with lunch and dinner. And coffee and tea and soda and water are included. But anyway, here's one of the closets. Nice hanging closet with a full-length mirror and robes and sandals you can use while you're on board. And there's a safe for your valuables. Very nice. Looks big enough for a laptop. And your life vests and more hanging space for shorter garments and more shelf space. So, and another full-length mirror. So, and last but not least, we have this beautiful bathroom. So, nice big bathroom with a double vanity and a great big mirror and a blow dryer and amenities and nice great big soaking tub, which Jackie's very excited about, and more bath amenities and a shower wand up there. And we also have a separate walk-in shower, which is over here. It's just very nice. So a separate walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. And the facilities, of course. So nice, big, beautiful bathroom with a big soaking tub and a double vanity. So just a beautiful balcony stateroom on AmaDahlia. So when you're ready to book your next river cruise, contact us, or any cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.